Hey, what's up everyone? We are at the market right now. It looks pretty local. I don't know. What the? Anyway, we're at the market right now. It's precursor to our cooking class later. I think they're just here to bring us to take a look around, like what they have to offer. Good. So flowers mostly probably for the temple.
4 a.m. Yeah, starting 4 a.m. until 11. Yeah, that is for the traditional market or local market.
Okay.
Yeah, after 11 they open the art market. That is for the tourists.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
in Ubud we have two time. Now we go to the traditional market. Yeah, the first one I will show you about the vegetable in the downstairs. Yeah. So this area in the vegetable. Over there is the meat area. In the meat area they can sell like the chicken, yeah, pork and beef.
My favorite.
Like this. Yeah. Long bean or snakes bean. Yeah, sometimes the tool around 1 meter.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. We use in the kitchen later, we making for the gado-gado.
Are we gonna make sambal mata?
Right? If
We are?
you can ask later with the teacher.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
For the sambal mata, in Bali we use only onion, Bali onion, and then the chili. Sometimes we put flower of ginger. Yeah, this is the normal one. Yeah, small bean. Yeah, we making for the soup. You have butter mushroom soup later. Yeah, we make with the small bean. Also we put cauliflower and broccoli. Yeah, that's it. And then this one eggplant. Yeah, we have any kind of eggplant, like the purple color like this. Also we have the white one, white color. Yeah, look like that.
White ones.
Salam leaf. I think your country you got bay leaf or laurel leaf.
Oh,
Bali
bay
we have
leaf.
salam leaf.
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah. Not for papaya, yeah. This is like the young papaya.
Oh.
Yeah, we use for the soup or salad. Yeah.
Oh, better texture? Like
Right.
crunchy? Okay.
Right. And then look like that. That is jackfruit. Yeah, when they young, we use for the salad or soup. When they hard, that is sweet or fruit, ready to eat. And then the stick one, that is lemongrass. Yeah. Lemongrass we make with the yellow sauce. The good one also for the tea. Yeah, the lemongrass. And also we have two kind of chili. Yeah, the big one chili is in Bali is mild chili, not so hot. Yeah, we have the small one that is hot chili. Also in Bali we have chili like this for the tempeh. Yeah. Yeah, we call it tempeh goreng, fried tempeh. Yeah, we fried of tempeh and then we make with the sweet soya sauce. Yeah, that is spices already done. When you make the nasi goreng, just put around 350.
What are the benefits?
Hibiscus, like this hibiscus.
Yeah, hibiscus, that's right.
Let me see the hibiscus.
We got the purple color and red color.
How much is this? How much is
Yeah, mushroom. Like the orange one. Yeah, this one we import. Yeah, from China. Yeah.
We are at our... Oh, look at the doggo! Oh, 2 of them! Oh my gosh, that was really fast.
That is Chihuahua, that is Bulldog.
So cute.
fat chihuahua?
That is Papa and then son. Yeah.
So cute. Ooh, sustainable straws.
We are about
Saving
to
the
take,
world
we're
one
about,
straw at a time.
So, we're about to take our cooking class right now, and they served us some limeade. It tastes like lime, right? Like lemon? Yeah, lime.
This is lime and sugar cane.
Yeah, and sugar cane. Very refreshing.
It's really good.
And it's awesome because they all, yeah. They're way ahead of America.
I get this.
So apparently every family home in Bali gets their own temple in the back, and these workers are actually sculpting it as we speak.
So talented.
And that is truly amazing.
Oh, a little puppy.
Where? Oh, what?
Hello, puppy.
Oh, how come not that?
It's 1 year.
Oh.
Yeah. Sleeping angle. Here you are.
What does that taste like?
Tempeh fermented of soya bean.
Sour or
Soya.
Is it no? How does it taste?
The taste will be sweet, letter, and spicy. We will make a sauce.
Oh.
But in the beginning, the
Yeah.
taste is very plain. See? Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Chopping.
Okay.
Do the chopping. Yeah. Okay. You want here? One of your here, one of your there. Okay.
We're gonna come here.
Coriander seed. Here you are. Coriander seed. 1, 2. One more for good luck. 1 half polak, and then half polak. Pieces of the clove, 1 extra for luck. Nutmeg or muscat. Our Bali gin. See? Okay? Everybody you must try
Get
until the yellow sauce look like a
it.
Who's next?
You tired already?
No, but
I'll do it next.
okay. I will try. Oh. Look at those muscles. I think it's easier if you this, yeah, so you have more strength to pound.
Sounding like spoon salty soy sauce. Yes. And you can crush everything. Just a little bit of sea sauce and squeeze your lemon.
1 spoon.
Palm
Your
sugar.
in
Oh,
the
it smells
front.
good already.
1 tablespoon sugar. Very hot.
Very fragrant.
One big one. Okay, pass on there.
Salt, quarter pepper.
Water pepper,
Now we put in vegetable. What is it? Palm sugar.
Kind of palm still, right?
Yeah. You put on high.
Vegetable at the end. Put the vegetable in.
Vegetable inside this. Balinese steamer. We use steam your tuna. At home, if you didn't find Balinese steamer like this, use normal steamer.
On everything? Mix.
Okay.
Looks good to me.
Good, yeah, excellent. Okay, now take out your hand glove, honey, and bring your son. Yep.
Yellow sauce, 1 teaspoon yellow sauce. Now your job with the hand glove, honey. Squeeze your key lime, please. Continue. Your salad now, honey. Now combine it together.
We just finished a cooking class, but I think we have a dessert still. But so far, we've made a mushroom soup.
Thank you for contacting.
And what else?
Oh, yes. Thank you for.
And a yellow,
I'm not sleep yet.
what was it? Yellow sauce.
Yellow sauce.
Yellow sauce, and it was really neat because we actually use like their Bali blender, which is kind of essentially a mortar and pestle, to grind everything up. So you can really smell the fragrant notes in everything that we were pounding. I guess.
Did you take it to Pound Town?
I did, and I enjoyed it.
That's why I'm just like.
No, it was really awesome. Definitely recommend it.
Wow, no, I'm just wow.
Now
Taste
to
the soup.
taste it. Oh.
Enjoy your soup, everybody.
Thank you.
Just put
Thank
it in the
you.
middle. If you like spicy, you can put some more chili. Yeah.
It's pretty peppery. But then again, we were the ones who made it ourselves, so I'm not sure what other people were.
You don't want
putting in
to.
it.
You don't want to critique it too hard.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's good for what we did.
Alright, perfect.
This is your sambal mata. Inside of the plate for your sambal mata is salad, lemongrass, hot chili, and then shrimp paste, honey. We break it the shrimp paste, lemoro, yeah, with the salt. Coconut oil, honey. Coconut oil.
Normal.
Your sambal mata done.
This is the end product of everything we made today. Delicious. Hey, thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, we would really appreciate it if you would like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button for our next video in our Bali series. Thanks!